Like little things they just put onto your uniform. Because they measured off your chest, with the chest cross. Because they're fun to get on everything. Which team is he?
He could be wearing cross-country shorts.
He said he wasn't checking it out. He said, there, he said, it's called.
Let's go, John. Good job, Inglewood!
Pick it up, Jonas! Pick it up! Push it, push it!
Let's go, PVC! Come on!
Good job, John! Go, buddy!
Come on, Peter, you got it!
Let's go, fly, Vaca, go, buddy!
Come on, Trey! Go, Trey! Let's go! Go, Trey, go! Go, go, go! Let's go, Cole! You got it! Keep going, Cole!
Let's go, Wyatt, pick it up!
Come on, Cole, keep going!
Come on, John!
Let's go!
Come on, Peter, come on, Peter! Yes. That's it. Good job. Nice.